Today I'm going to be showing you how to make ringtones using iTunes, any version. First, pick your song, get info, options, and pick your start time. I gotta find my start time again because my retarded brother.
Everything you ever wanted.
Capture. Just let it slip.
Just let it slip. Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweat already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now.
The song featured in this video is Lose Yourself by Eminem.
Stop it at 129. Should be around 30 seconds. And we'll put it at 141. I don't know why. Go to the 1. Create AAC version. Converting. If it's not set, you have to go to control panel. Files option. View. If I have this unchecked, but hidden files and folders do not show. It'll be on. You don't want to click show hidden files and folders. Now you go to that, you made the AAC version. Show in Windows Explorer. Rename to M4R. Yes, there it is. See, it says ring. Bring it over to ringtones. There it is. There you go. That's how you make a ringtone using iTunes. Any questions? Send me a message, comment, and subscribe. Alright. Produced by Brandon, Austin, and Joe.